In order to clear the path, the Kennedy Security and Center forces have removed 120 light poles, 23 traffic signals, 56 traffic signs, and moved one high voltage line. Of course, this all will be put back into place, but it gives you some idea of the scope of planning and work that has gone into making this move smooth and efficient. It's a 9.8-mile journey. Again, it began at 6:30 this morning. It's expected to conclude about 6 o'clock this evening after Atlantis stops at Exploration Park for 3 hours. Here you can see the intersection of C Avenue, on which Atlantis is currently traveling southbound, and 5th Street. And you can see employees gathered along the route for a glimpse of Atlantis. An opportunity not to be passed up. Space Florida's Exploration Park is a 65-acre area, and today it is filled with exhibits and displays for members of the public to view, as well as Shuttle Atlantis in just under an hour. Similar to the parade that accompanied Atlantis to the viewing site for the signing ceremony, an impressive array of former astronauts will serve as wing walkers and accompany Atlantis into Exploration Park. They will usher Atlantis into the ceremony, the public ceremony at Exploration Park, representing the historic past of NASA, along with the Space Shuttle Atlantis, and into Exploration Park, which is a demonstration of the future. And there is a large array of exhibits that portray many of the plans that NASA and its commercial partners have lined up for the near future as America's journey into space continues. Atlantis becomes the final Space Shuttle orbiter to head for its permanent home at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Just earlier this week, Shuttle Endeavour was open to the public for the first time at its home at Los Angeles' California Science Center. Space Shuttle Discovery is now at home at the Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum Udvar Hazy Center at Dulles Airport just outside Washington, D.C. And NASA's prototype shuttle Enterprise is on display at the Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum in New York. The shuttles are going to provide generations of Americans and people from all over the world with an opportunity to learn about their missions and to gain inspiration to become the next generation of space travelers. Construction of Atlantis began on March 30th, 1980, and it rolled out of the assembly plant in Palmdale, California in March of 1985. And that October, on October 3rd, 1985, Atlantis launched its first mission, STS-51J, a flight devoted entirely to the Department of Defense, a classified mission. Atlantis is named after the two-masted boat that served as the primary research vessel for the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute in Massachusetts from 1930 to 1966. And as we celebrate the 12th anniversary of the first space station crew, Expedition 1, we also note that Atlantis, starting with STS-71, pioneered the shuttle Mir missions. The Mir space station, belonging to Russia, was the predecessor to our International Space Station now. In fact, Atlantis flew the first 7 missions that docked with the Mir station, and then went on to dock to the International Space Station 12 times. It's poignant that the commanders of Atlantis' first and last missions are here with us at Kennedy Space Center today. Bo Bobko commanded 51J in 1985, and Chris Ferguson commanded STS-135 last year. landing July 21st. Atlantis is now progressing west on 5th Street at Kennedy Space Center on its way to the Space Life Sciences Lab gate and its entry into Exploration Park.